Hello my crafty friends, it's Beverly here over at Crafting Chaos with a quick how-to video, and this one is how to make your own stamp cleaner. As I do a lot of stamping, it's been more cost effective for me to make my own, and all you will need is to get your water bottle, your spray bottle, fill it mostly about 3/4 or just over filled with water, and then to that you're going to get your measuring spoon, measure it, and your baby shampoo. Measure out 1/4 teaspoon of the shampoo and carefully pour it into the bottle. So I'm just going to carefully squeeze 1/2 teaspoon. You don't need very much because you don't want it to be suddy, but you do want it to clean, so it's gentle on your stamp so it's not going to damage them. And the second ingredient, other than the water, is glycerin, and this is a substance that will help to keep your stamps in good condition and stop them from drying out. And again, you measure out 1/4 teaspoon full of glycerin and then carefully add it to your spray bottle. And then you'll take a long paintbrush or something similar, because what we want to do is stir the contents, but we don't want to shake it too much and make it too frothy or fizzy, or not fizzy but sort of too soapy or something like that. So we're going to give it a good stir with the clean paintbrush so we've got a nice clean mixture. Now my spray bottle, it's only a cheap one from, I think I got it from Home Bargains. I think it were about 50p, but it does have two settings. I can either have it on stream, so it just sprays out a straightforward stream, or I can turn it and it will do a spray, or I can turn the end and have it turned off. So that's good that you can have that option. So if you can get one like that, it's handy. So then all you would do is peel off your stamp, spray a little bit of the solution, give it a good rub with a lint-free towel. What you don't want is bits of paper sticking to your stamp and stopping you from making a clear impression. And then stick it back onto your carrier sheet. It's as simple as that. And if it's a wooden mounted stamp, you do exactly the same. So if you've liked the video, please like, share and subscribe. Just a quick refresher, so what you need is your spray bottle with water, baby shampoo, glycerine. Okay, I'll see you in my next video. Hang around for the sneak peek for my next video that's coming up really soon. Bye for now.